This is not a test. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. At midnight tonight, a critical malfunction is expected to occur due to the Y2K bug affecting computer systems worldwide. This malfunction may disrupt power grids, communications, and vital services. Residents are advised to stay indoors and prepare for possible outages. Stock up on essential supplies and remain calm. Authorities are working to mitigate the impact. Updates will follow as information becomes available. Remember, do not panic. Stay tuned for further updates.